Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. Today we define foreign keys and how to use them on the Applaud platform. Foreign key is a property type. You might spot this type when building models for your organisation or adapting pre-configured models you've installed from templates. Using a foreign key, you can reference another model. This creates a link with the model you select, meaning you can use its data. To illustrate, let's look at a custom model for experts. We created this model to award employees expert status when they master a skill. To do this, we created foreign key properties for the person model from the template of the same name, and skill, a model used in several Applaud templates, including profile. This means that when we create a form for this model, the end user can select a person using the data available from your platform's person model, and a skill from the data available from your platform's skill model. Submitting this entry creates an expert in that skill. Foreign keys are used in models from many Applaud templates, including person, where we use a foreign key to the country model from the template of the same name. This allows us to select a work country on the employee admin form, using existing data from the country model. Congratulations! You have successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.